Good day, I am Kenneth Bolima and this is my elevator system for the midterm design project for electives 3. So, I divided my ladder diagram into 6 networks so that each floor would have its own network and it would be easier for me to troubleshoot it later on if there is a problem. So, the first network is for the first floor. Network 2 is for the inside the elevator. Network 3 is for the second floor. Network 4 is for the third floor. Network 5 is for the fourth floor. And network 6 is for the doors and motors function. So let's start the simulation. So first we are going to export it. Elevator. Then we are going to open up the S7-200 simulator. We're going to select the CPU 216 because it has a lot of inputs up to 2.7 and the output is up to 1.7. Let's load the program that we have exported. So as you can see, this is the ladder diagram that I have shown you earlier, and one more program that we are using is the PCCmu, which would simulate the push buttons, actuators, and limit switches and motors and other components. So let's open up the program. This is our simulation for the elevator, the components. Then in order to connect the two programs, we are gonna interchange the input and output and state the program. And once that's done, we go to the PCCmu and press the simulation and run the PLC. So the ladder diagram is running and our components is running also. So to show you that this simulation uses the ladder diagram, I'm going to press the limit switch for the fourth floor, and once it's pressed, the output is the indicator lamp of the fourth floor inside the elevator. And it can be located here in the ladder diagram. So once I pressed it, as you can see, the ladder diagram also functions. So that states that the ladder that we have created is being run by this simulation. So let's start the simulation. So let's say that the elevator is in the first floor and I am in the fourth floor. I will be calling the elevator by pressing the button at the fourth floor. So once I press that, the motor responsible for the forward or the up motion of the elevator will run, and will pass through the second floor and the third floor, and once it reaches the fourth floor, the door will open, and after 3 seconds it will close. So once inside the elevator, I have the option to choose the floor I want to go. If I press the fourth floor again, the door simply opens again. So once the door closes, we are going to the second floor. So once we press the second floor, the motor for the down motion of the elevator runs. So and once it reaches the second floor, the doors will open. And after 3 seconds it will close again. Let's say a person calls the elevator from the first floor. So Once the button at the first floor is pressed, the motor will go down. And the elevator will go down, and the motor for the down motion will run. So once it reaches the first floor, the doors will open again, and once it's closed, you can press any button to go to whichever floor that you want. Let's say the third floor, and the motor for the up of the elevator will run until it reaches the third floor. So that's the elevator system that I have created.